Dear children, welcome back to our online English class, part 13. Today, we are going to study the lesson 4. But before starting the lesson 4, I would like to revise the lesson 3 for a class test. Yes, tomorrow you have a class test. No exam in Google form. Instead, you have a small class test. By 2 o'clock, I will send the question in the parental diary and look at the question and write the answers neatly in a rolled paper. And take a clear photo and WhatsApp it to me before 8 o'clock. Have you understood? Write neatly. Write correct spelling. Spelling is very important. If you make spelling mistakes, you will lose your marks. Okay, so do it carefully. Study very well. Listen to this revision very carefully and study well for tomorrow's exam. Now, let's start the revision. Lesson 3, All in the Family. At first, we can study the meanings. Personal. What's the meaning of this word personal? Belonging to a particular person. Belonging to a particular person. ഒരു വ്യക്തിയെ സംബന്ധിച്ചത്. Belonging to a particular person. Study the spelling. Belonging. B-E-L-O-N-G-I-N-G. Belonging to a particular. P-A-R-T-I-C-U-L-A-R. Particular person. P-E-R-S-O-N. Belonging to a particular person. What's the sentence? That's my personal opinion. O-P-I-N-I-O-N. Opinion. That's my personal opinion. You can make any sentences, no problem. That's my personal opinion. Begin the sentence with a capital letter and at the end of the sentence, put a full stop. Okay, don't forget to put a full stop. And personal, you have to underline the word you used in sentence. Here you have to underline the word personal. That's my personal opinion. Have you studied the meaning? Personal, belonging to a particular person. That's my personal opinion. The sentence is, that's my personal opinion. Next, let's study the verb forms. Make. What is the past tense form of this verb make? Made. What's the past participle form? Made. Both the past tense and past participle forms are same. Make, made, made. Make. M-A-K. Made. What's the spelling? M-A-D-E. And past participle form? Made. Make, made, made. The present tense form? Make. Past tense form? Made. And past participle form? Made. Okay, have you studied? Make, made, made. Next, tell. What's the past tense form of this verb? Told. T-O-L-D. What's the past tense form? Told. T-O-L-D. And what's the past participle form of this verb? Told itself. Okay, T-O-L-D. Tell, told, told. What's the third verb? Speak. Spell the word speak. S-P-E-A-K. Say once again, speak. S-P-E-A-K. Speak. What's the past tense form of this verb speak? Spoke. Say spoke. S-P-O-K-E. Spoke. Speak, spoke. And what's the past participle form? Spoken. S-P-O-K-E-N. Spoken. Speak, spoke, spoken. Say all of you. Speak, spoke, spoken. Study the spelling. And next one, come. C-O-M-E, come. And which are the other forms? Come, came, come. Come, came, come. Next one, learn. The last one, learn. L-E-A-R-N, learn. What's the present tense form? Learn, L-E-A-R-N. What's the past tense form? Learned, L-E-A-R-N-T. Say L-E-A-R-N-T, learned. And what's the past participle form of this verb? Learned itself, L-E-A-R-N-T, learn. Learn, learnt, learned. Okay, learn, learnt, learned. Have you studied the verb forms? Once again, make, made, made. All of you say with me. Make, made, made. Tell, told, told. Speak, spoke, spoken. Come, came, come. Learn, learnt, learned. Have you studied? Next, answer the following questions. Now, I discuss only the important questions and answers. What makes our family special? What makes our family special? What's the answer? Our names and the language we speak at home make our family special. What's the answer? Our name and the language, bhasha, the language we speak at home make our family special. All of you say the spelling, language. Spell the word language. L-A-N-G-U-A-G-E. L-A-N-G-U-A-G-E. That you study well. Study the spelling. Our names and the language we speak at home make our family special. You study our names and the language we speak at home. The other thing is in the question. Okay, what makes our family special? Our names and the language we speak at home make our family special. Have you studied? Once again, what makes our family special? Our names and the language we speak at home make our family special. Begin the sentence with a capital letter, and when you finish the sentence, there you put a full stop. At the end of the sentence, put a full stop. Okay. What makes our family special? Our names and the language we speak at home make our family special. What is the second question? What is a surname? What is a surname? The family name is called a surname. What is a surname? The family name is called a surname. The family name is called a surname. S-U-R-N-A-M-E, surname. S-U-R-N-A-M-E, surname. What is a surname? The family name is called a surname. Have you studied these answers? One more question to read. Okay, all of you listen. What is a mother tongue? What is a mother tongue? The language we speak at home is our mother tongue. Mother tongue, Madra Bhasha, M-O-T-H-E-R, T-O-N-G-U-E, mother tongue, separate words, mother tongue. What is a mother tongue? The language we speak at home is our mother tongue. Say all of you, the language, study the spelling, language, L-A-N-G-U-A-G-E. Say all of you, L-A-N-G-U-A-G-E. The language we speak at home is our mother tongue. The language we speak at home is our mother tongue. What is a mother tongue? The language we speak at home is our mother tongue. Have you studied this answer? What is a mother tongue? The language we speak at home is our mother tongue. Okay. Next, the grammar part, articles. In the previous class, you studied about articles. A, an, and, the. Now, let's read these exercises once again. Write a or an in the blanks. Look at the page 19. Okay, look at the page 19. Write a or an in the blanks. Dash bottle. Which article will you use there? The word is beginning with a consonant sound. B, bottle. So which article will you use there? A bottle. We use the article a before the words which are beginning with a consonant sound. A bottle. Dash ape. This word is beginning with a vowel sound. So we can use the article an ape. Dash book. Here the word is beginning with a consonant sound. So we can use the article a book. Once again, a bottle, an ape, a book. Fourth one, dash got. The word got is beginning with a consonant sound. Got. So we can use the article a got. Dash egg. Here the word is beginning with a vowel sound. Egg. So we can use the article an egg. Sixth one, dash orange. Dash orange. Here the word is beginning with a vowel sound, orange. So we can use the article an before the word orange, an orange. Once again, a got, an egg, an orange. Seventh one, dash plate. Here the word is beginning with a consonant sound, p, plate. So we can use the article a before this word plate, a plate. Dash umbrella. The word is beginning with a vowel sound. So we can use the article an before this word umbrella, an umbrella. Next, ninth one, dash city. The word is beginning with a consonant sound. So we can use the article a here, a city. Okay, we can use the article a before the word city, a city. Look at the exercise B. Complete these phrases with a or an. Dash tall tree. Dash tall tree. Tall. The word is beginning with a consonant sound. So we can use the article a tall tree. Dash easy question. Dash easy question. Which article will you use here? Easy. The word easy is beginning with a vowel sound. So we can use the article an easy question. Okay. Third one. Dash old man. Old. The word old is beginning with a vowel sound. So we can use the article an old man. Okay. Fourth one. Dash new girl. Dash new girl. The word new is beginning with a consonant sound. So we can use the article a before the word new. A new girl. Dash big insect. Big. The word big is beginning with a consonant sound. So we can use the article a big insect. Sixth one. Dash ripe apple. Ripe. You have to use the article before the word ripe. The word ripe is beginning with a consonant sound. So we can use the article a ripe apple. Okay. Next, use a, an or the to complete these sentences. 1. Ravi buys dash apple. Which article will you use there? An apple, because the word apple is beginning with a vowel sound. Ravi buys an apple. Dash apple is red and juicy. Here, before the word apple, the is used. Why? Because in the first sentence, it is already mentioned about the apple. Okay, apple is already mentioned. So, in the second sentence, we can use the definite article the. The apple is red and juicy. In the first part of the sentence, we have already mentioned about the apple. So, in the second sentence, we can use the article the. The apple is red and juicy. The particular one. Okay, in the first sentence, we have already mentioned about the apple. So, in the second sentence, we use the article the. The apple is red and juicy. Second one, Jaya sits on dash chair. Jaya sits on anyone, it can be anyone, sits on a chair. The word chair is beginning with a consonant sound. So, Jaya sits on a chair. Dash chair is too big for her. In the first part, we have already mentioned about the chair. So, we are telling about a particular chair. So, in the second sentence, we can use the definite article the. The chair is too big for her. The chair, the particular one. Because in the first part, in the first sentence, we have already mentioned about the chair. Okay, so in the second sentence, we can use the article the. The chair is too big for her. Okay, third one, I helped dash boy to cross the road. Somebody was crossing the road. I helped a boy to cross the road. I helped a boy. Boy, the word boy is beginning with a consonant sound. So, I helped a boy to cross the road. In the second sentence, dash boy thanked me. Yes, in the first part, we have already mentioned about a boy. The boy whom I helped. Okay, I helped to cross the road. I helped a boy cross the road. The boy thanked me. The boy. In the first part, we have already mentioned about the boy. So, in the second part, we can use the definite article the. The boy thanked me. Fourth one, my father works in post office. My father works in a post office. Okay, post office, the word post, that is beginning with a consonant sound. My father works in a post office. Dash post office is on Smith Road. The post office, a particular one where my father is working. Okay, the post office is on Smith Road. Have you understood? In the first part, we have mentioned about this post office. So, in the second part, we use the definite article because we are telling about a particular post office. Okay, the post office is on Smith Road. The last one, Hema lives in dash flat. Hema lives in a flat. Dash flat is on the 5th floor of a tall building. We are telling about a particular flat. So, in the second sentence, we can use the definite article the. The flat is on the 5th floor of a tall building. Okay, prepare all these well for tomorrow's class test. Do neatly and score nice marks. Okay, the revision is over. Now, let's study the lesson 4. It's a poem. What's the title of the poem? Who has seen the wind? What's the title of the poem? Who has seen the wind? Now, I'm going to read the poem. All of you open a textbook and listen carefully. Who has seen the wind? Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Next, who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. Listen, once again, I am going to read the poem. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. Christina Rossetti. Who is the poet? Christina Rossetti. What's the title of the poem? Who has seen the wind? Who has seen the wind? Once again we can read the poem. All of you listen carefully. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. Now I'll read the poem and you follow me. Okay, I'll read the first 2 lines. You also read the poem there. Okay. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. Say, all of you read the poem. Okay. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. N-E-I-T-H-E-R. How will you read the word? You can read neither or neither. Any way you can pronounce. Okay. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. Read. All of you read it loudly. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. All of you read. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. Next lines. But when the leaves hang trembling, but when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. All of you read. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. Again, first 4 lines we can read again. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. Please read. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. Next, 3rd line. But when the leaves hang trembling, but when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. All of you read. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Next. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, bow, not to bow, bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. Once again. But when the trees bow down their heads, bow down. All of you say, bow down. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. Okay, let's start once again. All of you read with me. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. Once again. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. Read the poem many times. Okay, now let's study the meaning. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. The poet is asking, have you seen the wind? Have you seen the wind? No, neither I nor you. I haven't seen the wind. You also haven't seen the wind. Nobody has seen the wind because it is not something we can see. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. Nobody has seen the wind because it is not something we can see. But how can we tell the wind is passing by? But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. We cannot see the wind, but we can tell the wind is passing by. How? When the leaves hang trembling. Yes, when the wind comes, what happens to the leaves? The leaves tremble in the air. The leaves move in the air. They shake in the air. According to the poet, when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Yes, we can tell the wind is passing through. When? When the leaves hang trembling. When the wind comes, the leaves move in the air. Hang trembling. The leaves hang trembling. The leaves shake in the air. The leaves move in the air. When the wind comes, the leaves hang. The leaves moves. The leaves move in the air. The leaves tremble in the air. Okay, once again. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. When the leaves tremble in the air, we can tell the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. Again he is saying, nobody has seen the wind. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. But he is saying, we can tell the wind is passing by. How? When the trees bow down their heads. Heads. Yes, really, trees do not have heads. But here, according to the poet, the top portion of the trees, which are covered with leaves, looks just like our heads, which are covered in hair. And also, like our heads, the leaves of the trees can move too. Okay, he imagines like that. He imagines the trees are having heads. The top portion of the tree is moving in the wind like our head. Okay. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. Nobody has seen the wind. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. When the wind is passing by, what do the trees do? Their top portion, the poet is imagining their heads. Their trees are having heads and their heads are moving in the wind. When the wind is passing by, the trees are moving in the wind. Their heads are moving in the wind. That way we can tell the wind is passing by. Have you understood the meaning? Once again I will read. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, they bow down. When the wind comes, they bow down their heads. They bend their heads. They bend their top portion. Okay, from that we can understand the wind is passing by. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. When the wind comes, the trees bow down, bend their heads. Then we can understand the wind is passing by. Have you understood the meaning? Once again, I'll read the poem. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. All of you read the poem many times. Read many times, then only you will be able to read the poem very fluently. Okay, read many times. Listen to this class many times, then read the poem many times. Okay, thank you.